Now next we will talk about the regulation of the process of digestion. The regulation of process of digestion here now. There are two centers here now. One is called feeding center and the other one is called satiety center. Both of them are embedded in hypothalamus. Both of them are embedded in hypothalamus of diencephalon. Embedded in hypothalamus of diencephalon, and they are responsible for initiating an urge to eat food and suppression of that urge. That is, whenever the feeding center is activated, person feels hungry. Whenever it is activated, person feels like taking food. He feels hungry here now. Once he takes sufficient amount of food, that hunger gets suppressed due to the activity of satiety center. Both of them are embedded in diencephalon, hypothalamus of diencephalon. Then vomiting center is embedded in medulla oblongata. Vomiting center, that is regurgitation. Whenever the food does not go with your body, does not go with your body constitution here now, reverse peristalsis occurs. A result of reverse peristalsis, there may be vomiting here now, preceded by nausea, preceded by vomiting sensation. That vomiting center is embedded in medulla oblongata. The next one you have deglutition. Center for deglutition is also embedded in medulla oblongata. The center for deglutition is also embedded in medulla oblongata. Okay, deglutition is swallowing. The process of swallowing is under the control of medulla oblongata. Apart from this, peristalsis and secretion of digestive juices, all these activities are also under the control of medulla oblongata. Center for deglutition, peristalsis and digestive juice secretion, they are all under the control of medulla oblongata. Apart from this, you can say defecation is also under the control of medulla oblongata. Because you have learnt already here now, defecation is due to relaxation of two sphincters. In the rectal region, there is an internal rectal sphincter and outer rectal sphincter. Internal rectal sphincter is made up of visceral muscles, which is involuntary in function. External rectal sphincter is made up of voluntary muscles, which is voluntary in function. So due to the involvement of both the sphincters, now defecation occurs. Okay. Now the defecation is also under the control of medulla oblongata. So medulla oblongata plays a vital role in the process of digestion by controlling vomiting, deglutition, peristalsis, secretion of digestive juices and defecation. Apart from this, now sympathetic and parasympathetic systems. Sympathetic and parasympathetic systems. Both of them also regulate the process of digestion. How do they regulate here now? Parasympathetic system increases peristalsis. And secretion of digestive juices. Increases peristalsis and secretion of digestive juices. Sympathetic system decreases peristalsis. And decreases secretion of digestive juices. Right? Both of them are antagonistic to each other once again. Sympathetic system decreases peristalsis, decreases secretion of digestive juices. Parasympathetic system increases peristalsis and increases secretion of digestive juices.